Have you ever started up your hybrid vehicle and instead of hearing the quiet, mellow hum of the hybrid startup ignition, you get
oh no.
Congratulations, your catalytic converter has just been stolen. So here's what happens. Criminals lift up your vehicle using a jack, then slide under your vehicle with a cutting tool, and they want this part right here, the catalytic converter. Cut it off and resell it to black market recyclers. Hybrid vehicles are targeted because of the high amount of rare precious metals that their catalytic converter contains: palladium and rhodium. These precious metals allow the Prius to achieve its super ultra low emissions classification. Problem is that the prices of these two metals has shot up in value by as much as 700%. So thieves are now stealing catalytic converters all over the place and making life harder for hybrid vehicle owners. This is where MillerCAT comes in with their anti-theft protection device, the MillerCAT Shield. In this video, we're gonna do two things. One, we're gonna install the MillerCAT Shield. And two, we're going to review this cat shield and determine whether or not it's worth your hard-earned money. So, what is the MillerCAT Shield and how does it work? The MillerCAT Cat Shield is a custom-fitted metal plate that fastens to your vehicle's underside and protects it from catalytic converter thieves. If you drive a hybrid vehicle like I do, you're at elevated risk of becoming a victim. The MillerCAT Cat Shield comes in two versions: aluminum and stainless steel. The one I have here is the stainless steel version, which is much more difficult to cut through, but also more expensive than the aluminum version. It's made out of thick gauge metal, which I really like, because if a thief attempts to cut through this shield, it's going to take them a very long time. And it'll be extremely loud and noisy. Thieves don't like the attention because that will land them in jail. It also has pre-made holes to make your install easier. Comes in different configurations to fit with specific vehicle makes and models, and is the only removable catalytic converter shield on the market today that utilizes these top secret proprietary asymmetric screws and security bits. The MillerCAT Cat Shield package comes with the cat shield, an instructions manual, and all the hardware required for the installation. Science moment! What happens when two different metals come into contact with each other in a damp environment? The answer, an electrochemical reaction which causes something called galvanic corrosion. This is bad because it eats and degrades metal, and vehicle undersides are very wet, so you really don't want to mix and match metals. And this is exactly why the MillerCAT Cat Shield uses zinc-coated rivet nuts. Their zinc coating forms a protective barrier between the steel frame and the cat shield and its components, thereby preventing galvanic corrosion. This cat shield also uses stainless steel hardware for the parts that will be touching stainless steel. This is an intentional, science-driven design that protects your cat shield from rusting or corroding through, even if you live in Canada or a salt state. The MillerCAT team paid extra attention in chemistry class when designing the MillerCAT Shield, and I love that. Good job, MillerCAT. Science! You have two options for installing this. One, do it yourself, or two, bring it to a mechanic. Mechanics charge about $200 for a shield install if you provide your own. You can also check the MillerCAT website to locate authorized installers in your neighborhood. I do have my own covered garage space, but I want to prove to all of you that the MillerCAT Cat Shield can be easily installed outdoors on an uncovered driveway in the freezing cold Canadian weather. To install it, you'll need a low-profile car jack, two jack stands, a rivet nut tool with an M6 head, a power drill, a 25/64 cobalt drill bit designed for drilling through hardened metal, a small slotted screwdriver, a multi-bit screwdriver with interchangeable heads, socket wrench with a 10mm fitting, center punch tool, a metal mallet, Sharpie-style permanent marker, a work light, isopropyl alcohol, shop towels or rags, yellow spray paint, and I'll explain why later, and of course, always wear eye protection and protect your hands with working gloves. I'd recommend washing your vehicle undercarriage ahead of time, just so you don't have road grit and salt all over your working space. I have a 2018 Prius V, so obviously that's the vehicle that I'll be using for this installation. Let's get to work. Step 1, jack up your vehicle from its front side and place it on jack stands. Step 2, prep and clean the MillerCAT Cat Shield surface with some isopropyl alcohol. Peel and stick the rubber bumpers on the top parts that will make contact with your vehicle's undercarriage. Step 3. Slide under your vehicle and remove the heat shield, which is this thin piece of metal covering your catalytic converter. It's secured by 4 plastic fasteners, which are very easy to remove. Just take your flathead screwdriver and pop them off. If you happen to have a fastener clip removal tool, it makes the job even easier since you can wiggle the fastener loose with a slotted screwdriver, then just pull it off. The heat shield can be taken to a recycling depot and discarded since the MillerCAT Cat Shield will replace it completely. Step 4. Use your 10mm socket to remove the oxygen sensor bracket, then set the bolt aside. Step 5. Highlight the catalytic converter serial number. This right here is our cat, and here is its serial number. Wipe down the surface with some isopropyl alcohol to clean it. Now spray some yellow spray paint on it and quickly wipe it off with a rag. This makes the paint seep into the serial number's engraving, which makes it bright and easier to read. This isn't a mandatory step, but I highly recommend doing it, and I'll explain why later on in this video. Step 6. Enlarge the 4 heat shield holes. Grab your power drill and your 25/64 drill bit. I'm a big fan of this Hyperstep drill bit from Matco. I find that it enlarges holes in metal so much easier than a standard drill bit. But if all you have is a standard style drill bit, go on ahead and widen each hole. Important note about this hole on the leftmost side if you're working on a Prius. Drill slowly and don't drill too deep. A brake line and the fuel line is right behind this hole. If you puncture either of those, you'll have an even bigger problem on your hands. Step 7. Install the first 4 rivet nuts. Take your rivet nut tool and install the M6 head on it. Thread 1 rivet nut into the head and carefully press it into your newly widened holes. Release the rivet nut tool and then repeat for all 4 heat shield holes. Your pressed in rivet nut should be flush, secure, and when completed should look like this. Step 8. Drill 2 new holes into the undercarriage. We need to mark the exact location for these new holes. And to do that, we need to temporarily install the MillerCAT Cat Shield. So take the 4 shorter tamper-proof screws and place a lock washer, then a fender washer on each. Thread them into the rivets that we pressed in earlier. Slide down towards the lower side of the shield and mark the holes with permanent marker. Tap in a starter hole with the center punch tool. Grab your power drill with its 25/64 drill bit and drill in 2 new holes. Step 9. Install the last 2 rivet nuts. Remove the MillerCAT Cat Shield by unscrewing the 4 security screws. Press in 2 new rivet nuts. Step 10. Reinstall the oxygen sensor bracket. Take your 10mm socket wrench and turn the sensor's 10mm bolt back in until it's nice and snug. Step 11. Install the MillerCAT Cat Shield. We're almost there, I promise. Take the shield and screw in the 4 security screws at the front. From top to bottom, the order goes fender washer, lock washer, and tamper-proof screw. Step 12. Install the rear screws. These are the 2 longer screws. Top to bottom order is the same as the smaller 4 screws in the front, except now we need to add in the aluminum spacers between the rivet and the shield. Then the 2 longer screws will thread right in. Step 13. Use the security bit to tighten all of the bolts. Do not use a power tool for this step as it will strip the head. Use a multi-bit screwdriver or a small torque wrench. The recommended maximum torque for the M6 security bit should be anywhere between 16 to 20 foot-pounds or 22 to 27 Newton meters. And you're done. It looks great. This is exactly what a would-be thief would see. They slide under here thinking it's an easy payday, but then they're face to face with this large sheet of metal. Now let's take some viewer questions, late show style. Don't take my Cat 212 ass. Will this really prevent catalytic converter thefts? The MillerCAT Cat Shield is a deterrent. Remember one thing, scumbag criminals are all about crimes of opportunity. They want to get in and get out quickly so they can fill up their truck with stolen car parts and then drive over to the nearest scrapyard for some quick money. Once a thief slides under your vehicle and sees the MillerCAT Cat Shield, chances are they'll move on to another target. And that's the ultimate goal of the MillerCAT Cat Shield, to make it such a pain in the neck to steal your catalytic converter that the thief will just leave. Susan E asks, does the Cat Shield rattle or make noise? No, It doesn't, as long as it's properly installed. It has rubber bumpers, which you stick on the top side of the shield, and it uses spacers to add clearance in between the cat shield and the catalytic converter. It's totally silent. Suntots for Life asks, can I pass smog tests with it? Yes, as long as your catalytic converter serial number is visible. I confirmed this with California's Bureau of Automotive Repair Smog Check referee program, and this is why I recommended spraying bright yellow spray paint onto your catalytic converter's engraved serial number than wiping it off. This makes it easier for any automotive regulator to read your catalytic converter serial number at a distance. And the MillerCAT Cat Shield is also removable anyway. Christina M asks, I've been thinking about getting one but was concerned because it gets into the high 90s here in summer. Is this an issue? The MillerCAT Cat Shield is vented with these louver vents, and they're not just machined holes. They're specifically designed to enhance airflow by creating a vacuum effect that pulls heat out and away from the catalytic converter as you drive. So there is no need to worry about overheating. I only buy new 88 says, I have a newer Prius and my buddy tells me that only older Priuses are targeted. That is false. These are targeting all makes, all models, and all generations of hybrid vehicles. A local Toyota dealership where I'm at had some brand new hybrids get hit by cat thefts overnight in their parking lot. These were brand new current year vehicles. Thieves don't care what year your hybrid is. If you have a hybrid vehicle with an intact catalytic converter, you are a potential target. Jocelyn Y asks, will this cat shield make it difficult for my mechanic to work on my vehicle? No, because the MillerCAT Cat Shield is the only removable shield on the market. It uses tamper-proof security screws, so once the rivet nut is set, only the specialized security bit can be used to remove the shield. Keep the security bit in a safe place, so if you ever need to bring your car to your mechanic for servicing, you can provide them with the security key, so they can remove the cat shield and access the undercarriage. These are all great questions. So, we discussed the ins and outs of the MillerCAT Cat Shield and installed it. Now, the big question is, should you buy it? Yes. A stolen catalytic converter is not only seriously annoying to deal with, but also very costly. A replacement unit costs between $1,500 to $3,000, plus the heartache and inconvenience of being violated. The MillerCAT Cat Shield starts at $160 US. That's a very small price to pay. The build quality is terrific. The package is very complete and comes with everything you or your mechanic needs to easily install it. And it's made and designed in the USA. No sketchy overseas manufacturers are used here. It also has the added benefit of covering even more of your vehicle's undercarriage, protecting it from road salt. With protection from galvanic corrosion, the MillerCAT Cat Shield is engineered and designed to last as long as the vehicle itself. And it's designed to completely cover all the access points that anyone can use to cut and remove your catalytic converter. The MillerCAT Cat Shield is also the only product listed on Toyota's Associated Products program and is available to all Toyota dealerships nationwide, which is perfect if you're like me and strongly prefer OEM parts. My only complaint is that the edges are a bit sharp, so you do need to handle this cat shield with care to accidentally avoid cutting and scraping yourself. But that's such a minor issue and it's easily fixed by wearing work gloves, which you should be doing anyway. I highly recommend the MillerCAT Cat Shield. It's thoughtfully designed, it's sturdy, easy to install, and it just works. If you own a hybrid vehicle, you need one of these. You can also check with your insurance carrier to see if discounts apply for having a cat shield installed. That's it. I hope you all found this video to be useful. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to MillerCAT for providing me with this cat shield for review. I'll be including a link to MillerCAT's website in the video description below, so you can buy a MillerCAT Cat Shield today and join us in our fight against catalytic converter thieves. Have you been a victim of catalytic converter theft? Tell me in the comment section below and tell me what you're doing to protect your vehicle from these cat thieves. And of course, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because there are more projects coming up. Bye! Science. Wowzers. Science. Science.